Most free Gold IRA kits are just thinly veiled sales pitches that waste your time. But I found 7 that actually deliver genuine value, and one of them includes access to a Harvard-trained economist. Today I'm revealing which Gold IRA information kits are worth your time and which ones you should avoid at all costs.
Welcome back to another Straight Talking episode. I'm the Diversify Guy. I've been calling it like I see it for years now. While traditional finance advice remains largely unchanged, I'm sharing information about alternative investment options that you might not know exist. Remember, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, just an enthusiast, so always consult with a financial professional before making investment decisions.
Today, we're investigating something that every conservative investor should know about: the best free Gold IRA information kits available. Let's separate the legitimate educational resources from the sales garbage. Before we dive into the good ones, let me tell you why most Gold IRA kits are a complete waste of time. After reviewing hundreds of these so-called educational materials over the years, I can tell you that 90% of them are just glorified sales brochures. Here's what separates legitimate information from sales hype. A real Gold IRA kit should provide clear, unbiased information about fees, explain storage requirements in detail, outline all your investment options, not just what they're selling, and avoid high-pressure sales tactics. Most importantly, they should educate you about potential risks and downsides, not just paint a rosy picture to get you to buy. I personally reviewed hundreds of these kits and tracked how companies handle follow-up communication. What I found will surprise you, but first, let me share the 7 that actually deliver genuine value. Starting at number 7, Silver Gold Bull's Comprehensive Investor Guide offers a unique dual market approach for both US and Canadian investors. Their kit includes a complete precious metals investment manual, tax-advantaged account guidelines for both countries, and clear physical versus paper gold analysis. This kit works well for investors seeking international options without high-pressure sales tactics. At number 6, Noble Gold's Investment Guide takes a straightforward, no-nonsense approach. What stands out is their practical focus on both IRA and direct ownership options. Their guide excels at explaining the mechanics of converting the existing retirement accounts into physical precious metals with step-by-step 401k and IRA transfer processes. Ideal for traditional IRA holders who want clear, direct information without marketing fluff. Number 5 goes to American Hartford Gold's Comprehensive Educational Package. What impressed me is their combination of educational content with tangible promotional benefits. Their kit includes an up-to-date information guide, recession preparation strategies, and digital currency impact analysis. Their promotional package includes up to $15,000 in free silver on qualifying purchases, plus 3 years of free storage and guaranteed buyback program. Best for education-focused investors concerned about dollar-defying and seeking comprehensive market analysis. At number 4, Birch Gould's information package impressed me with their balanced educational approach. Their clear explanation of how physical precious metals work in IRAs, supported by market analysis and press charts, stands out. Perfect for first-time precious metals investors wanting straightforward guidance without overwhelming complexity. At number 3, Goldco's Gold and Silver Kit stands out for its comprehensive educational approach without minimum investment requirements. Founded in 2006 with over $3 billion in transactions, their kit reflects serious industry experience. Their kit provides detailed guides to precious metals investing, regular market updates, and clear explanations of IRS regulations. What makes this particularly valuable is their educational approach rather than high-pressure sales tactics. Their buyback guarantee and streamlined rollover process address major concerns most investors have about liquidity and complexity. This kit works well for retirement-focused investors who value personalized guidance and educational support over self-directed approaches. At number 2, Augusta Precious Metals Premium Kit provides exceptional educational value. Their kit includes Ultimate Guide to Gold IRAs, the company integrity checklist, the silver scheme report, and digital dollar information. Overall, it's a comprehensive educational package that's unparalleled in the industry. But here's the catch. They require $100,000 minimum retirement savings, designed for high net worth retired and investors who value comprehensive education and professional economic insights. And at number 1, Golden Crest Metal's free Gold IRA guide. Now, here's what makes this remarkable. This company was only founded in January 2024, yet their kit already delivers exceptional value. What sets their guide apart is the genuine commitment to addressing industry problems through education rather than pressure. Their free wealth protection guide covers Gold IRA basics, current market threats, and step-by-step transfer processes. What impressed me most is their transparent, ethical approach in an industry known for high-pressure tactics. While they're building their track record, early customer feedback is consistently positive. This guide works perfectly for investors who want cutting-edge information from a company that's working to fix what's broken in the precious metals industry. Before you request any of these kits, here's what you need to know to protect yourself. First, use a dedicated email address when requesting information. Never share your social security number during initial contact. Second, focus on these essential features: fee transparency, storage security options, educational quality, and buyback programs. The best dealers never push for immediate decisions. If someone's pressuring you to act today, that's a red flag. Remember, precious metals are a long-term investment. Take your time and never feel pressure to act immediately. While we're talking about legitimate kits, let me quickly warn you about red flags to avoid. Stay away from kits and companies that focus exclusively on rare coins and extreme premiums, promise guaranteed returns, pressure you for immediate decisions, or push you to move your entire retirement into precious metals. The legitimate companies on this list avoid these practices and focus on education over pressure. The 7 Gold IRA kits I've shared today represent the most legitimate educational resources I've come across. Whether you choose Golden Crest's innovative approach for their fresh perspective or Augusta's premium education for high net worth investors, each offers genuine value without excessive sales pressure. Remember, this is about education first, sales second. Take your time, do your research, and never let anyone pressure you into immediate decisions about your retirement savings. If you found this investigation helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-talking financial education. I'm the Diversify Guide, and I'll see you in the next video.